Wow, this is beautiful. Look at the modern colors, the beautiful kitchen, the island, coarse countertops, great windows, floor to ceiling. This is where it's at. This is a one bedroom at the Bowen River Oaks. You'll feel great in here. Look at the lighting, and the ceilings go up to looks like 13, 14 feet. This feels amazing in here. It's a perfect kitchen, just a perfect apartment in a beautiful Houston high rise. By the way, yes, that is gas. Cooking with gas, and just enjoying life here at the Bowen River Oaks. Wow. And you even have a beautiful fridge with the ice maker. You've got all the appliances that are gorgeous, stainless steel. You even have a wine fridge. And then look at this island. The island's amazing. It has all of these drawers, cabinets. It's beautiful. Your guests are going to love it here at the Bowen River Oaks. Hey, send me a text because I want to know what you're thinking on this beautiful place. I think it's pretty gorgeous. And I want to know your thoughts, though. My number's below. Send me a text and just go, hey, Grant, I'm doing some looking in Houston for my perfect Houston high-rise apartment, and I'm interested in the Bowen River Oaks, or maybe I'd like you to help me find something else. Either one. Be happy to help you, and just send me that text to that number below. That's my personal cell, by the way. It's not going to go to any software. It's going to go straight to me, and we'll get to chatting, and then we'll find your perfect place soon. We've got another video I'm going to show you of this place, so stay tuned. It's going to come right now. And if you've not yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe. You're going to see beautiful content all the time here at Living Lux in Houston.